Hi student, today we are going to discuss Edexcel Advance Level WMA 1301 recent paper 2025 May P3 paper. But we are going to discuss question number 1. Look at this. So fx equal to x 3x plus 1, x greater equal 0, range domain. Just gx equal 4 minus x squared. Find the value of gf1 first one. Gf1. Yeah. First you can write gx. Gx means 4 minus x square. Right. Then you can write gfx. Then your x position, you substitute fx. That fx means what? 2x. 2x over 3x plus 1 power of 2. Now your question gf1. So gf you have put that x equal 1. gf1 mean 4 minus that's 2 times 1 over 3 times 1 addition 1 power of 2. Then gf1 4 minus that 2 3 times 1 3 addition 1 4 4 power of 2 times 1 2 times 2. So finally 4 minus 1 squared 1 2 squared means 4. So LCM 4 16 minus 1. So GF1 means 15 over 4. Right, that's the first part. Second, I think you understand it. This first you can write GX. GX means 4 minus x. GFX means your FX position, you substitute that GX or X, GX X position, you substitute 2x and 3x plus 1. So, you have put gf1 mean 2 times 1 3 times 1 addition 1. Your simplification easily you can find that value, right? 15 or 4 that. So we are going to discuss second part. Find the range of fx, right? Find the range of fx. Now x greater 4. I think you can draw that in a graph. This easily you can find what is this movement like. We know that that graph uh, fx equal 2x 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 unequal 0. This asymptote should become asymptote come 3x plus 1 equals 0. That 1 over 0 infinity because 3x equal minus 1, x equal minus 1 over 3. This asymptote minus 1 over 3. Right. Then your x as a this y asymptote x asymptote should become numerator power maximum power you can divide, right? So that fx 2x over 3x plus 1, your both side divide that denominator maximum x value x. So 2x over x over 3x over x and 1 over x. That 2, 3 and 1 over x. So x infinity, if x come 2, 3 plus 1 over infinity. So that should be 0, 2 over 3. This is a very important one. Now we are going to draw that rough graph uh, that point. This x, this is a y, this is a 0, this is a minus 1 over 3. So, x equals 0, y equals 0. So x plus infinity 2 over 3. Then put this a 2 over 3 graph. Right. Now this point will go. Right. So that we know actually minus 1 over 3 plus delta, that value is a minus 1 over 3 plus delta is a minus value should become uh, then uh, this minus 1 over 3 plus delta, this a minus, this a 2 minus 1 over 3 plus delta over 3 minus 1 over, no need to explaining, plus 1, that's why. Right. So that minus answer come, this will go that minus infinity. So your graph shape that point will go there. No need, I have explained that. So range. Now range means that your graph less that he need only this x greater 0 that point. That graph depend less 2 over 3. This is a very, very important thing that, right. So that I think does not explain, no need to write that you are working. There's a work here. I think you can draw graph easily, you can find this that range. So range fx less 2 over 3. Okay. Then you can write, now we are going to raise this all. This is a very, very important one, 2 over 3, right? So that more time you watch that. Only this point is greater 0 for range, no need does not need this side. Only your graph x greater 0 means that point. So then you can write fx less 2 over 3. This is a range. This is a little hard. Okay. So other one, now we are going to raise this. So gx 4 minus x power of 2. Find the C part f inverse 6. This is easy. F inverse 6. C f inverse 6. Then we know actually what is fx. Fx equal 2x 3x plus 1. Right. X inverse means x position put y, 2y, 3y plus 1. Y position put x, x over 1. You are cross multiply. So, yeah. 3xy addition x equal to y. So y subject x 2y minus 3xy. Then x 2 minus 3x. Take up brackets. So y equal x 2 minus 3x. Both sides divide. Okay. Then that if inverse x, these are not hard, equal x 2 minus 3x. Inverse, you know this IGC and GC include in that x percent put y percent put x, make x object, inverse come, right? F inverse x, right? Now we gave F inverse fourth part, F inverse x equal Fx, right? So now we are going to raise this. Right. So if inverse x already you done uh, x over 2 minus 3x. Right. Now this fourth one, f inverse x equal f. So f inverse x equal fx mean x 2 minus 3x equal that 2x 3x plus 1. Okay. So you can simplify uh, x 3x plus 1 equal 2x 2 minus 3x. Then 3x power of 2 addition x equal 4x minus 6x power. Right. Then 9x squared, they take one side, 9x squared minus, no, plus 6, the meaning that come 6x squared and plus 3x squared minus 4x and plus x equals 0. So 9x squared minus 3x equals 0. 3x take outside, then 3x minus 1 equals 0. So 3x equals 0, 3x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0, 3x minus 1 equals 0, 3x equal 1, x equal 1 or 3. I think you can manage. Okay? That 9x minus 3x squared, then 3x take outside, 3x minus 1. Then 3x equals 0, 3x minus 1 equals 0, then x equals 0, x equals 1 or 3. This is your question complete. Next sum uploaded next video. Right. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need to classes, my telephone number not 718005772. Only video I too fast explaining, but my classes slowly, whole chapter, sums and past papers, everything discussed. Okay, slowly, not this fast explaining on the depend data. No, that's right. My name Hemapriya Gunasekara. Telephone number not 718005772. If you need to classes, please contact my telephone number, WhatsApp, message to anyone. Now reasonable charges online and individual. Edexcel and Credit both, right? A's mean P1, P2, M1 and S1, and A-loss P3, P4. and IGSC and GC all grades, and GC O level and GC level combined maths also. Okay, very reasonable charges. Please, my YouTube channel new one maths. Please subscribe. Expert. Hema. Any doubts and problem? Please explain. No, to pass course, speaking, or that voice. So anyone, please tell. Right. Mm, Now, next sum I uploaded next video. Right. Okay. See you. So thanks lot my thanks so much. Watch my video. Thanks.